Alright guys, is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna start, hold on, with the first paragraph. Alright, I haven't written it because you guys know it by heart already, because you're that good. Alright, so we're starting with sometimes, okay? Sometimes in our life, alright? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good job guys. Get a round of applause. Very good. We're proud of them here.